I bought a camera, my first ever camera. It's from ito. Oh. So, hi guys. Mamatay siya. Look what I got. Guess what? I bought a camera. Mama, do you want to witness my unboxing? Guys, unsa na camera akong gibay? First of all, friends and family, I want to say thank you very much. It's from DJI! Ka-annoying na po mag-unboxing eh. Mama is there. Thank you so much sa pag-support ninyo sa akong munchkin and sa akong junk foods every CA. Mama, are you proud of me? No. Basher! Yung... Nala ko yung camera! Uy! So guwapa. Wala pa gani. Guwapa na tayo. It's not a prank. It's so guapa. Thank you, Lord. Ay, wait na. Ayaw saan pag nagakulog ko. Sorry, friends and family. Oh, kagwapa niya. Oy! So, this is the camera itself. Ah! Guys, it's the Action 4. DJI Action 4 pala ang aking gibay. And I got it for like, ang iyahang real price is like 18K. Ay, 16. And I got it for the half price. Like the 8K. I got it for 8K. Oh. See ito? Oh! Ooh! Oh, man. So, guwapa. So... Hi, friends and family! Papa! Say hi! Magana na ako ang ano, guys. Ay! Ate Vivian, say hi to my vlog. That's Ate Vivian. So, hi, guys. I will try to, we're gonna test the, ano, dito na ako, sinano. I-test na to ang camera. Lolo! Uman si Maggie! Asus! Isakay na, oy! Sakay na siya! Tama. Siya!
Tras. Anak. Anak. Tras.
Thank you! Dali ah! Come here! Let's go! Bye-bye! Nice. Ligo ulit taron.
Guys, yung royal o ganin mo ba uni? Pero tayo royal.
Let's eat, guys.
Kaya ka unsa ka eat.
Ang cute ninyong tawagan ng hi.
Eh, abi de kring bel.
Ay, gana ka ba?
Sabaw mo ha?
Ayun, pagsuot kaya kasi ang kay ka ng kaon.
Ami kay mi isalak yan.
I don't know if you can see me. Pero manguha mi ni Papa og manok. Where's the manok? Ganun lang pala yun.
Uniti.
Ang pisi. Oh, sorry no. Ayaw, liuga pa.
Hindi mo sabak.
Ang tiil lang, guro.
Ang sabak ganit no.
Mamatay siya.
Sige.
Ayaw lang, liuga pa.
Ibabalik yan ako, murag tulod-tulod. 4-5-5 no to.
Hey!
May lagay.
So, hi guys. Sa friends and family. This is me giving a review. Ano ka? Expert sa camera. Pero anyway, I'm just gonna get some or gonna have some review about the camera or after, wait lang. 31 na ta today. So, mga 10 days. After 10 days of using it. Like, I'm not dili man siya everyday gina-use, pero like after 10 days of having it na lang siguro, no? So, yes. So, hi, friends and family. I'm back with a review kasi naputol ingat kay na full storage ang babae. So, back on what I was saying. So, this is the camera itself. Fernando siya sa safety pod niya. This is like the armor. The armor. So, if gusto lang ka magka-camera na ano. Actually, ang akong ginaay is the 5 Pro. Pero, since, ano man, ewan ko, gusto na dyan siguro na ako magka-cam. So, ginatawag ko ni inner self. Cut that. But anyway, wait lang guys ha. I'm gonna show you some sample with the settings na change. Currently, I'm using 4K by 60 frame rate. Tama ba? 4K by 60 frame rate. Tingnan mo. Oh. That is the sample photos. Yes. I'm gonna show you some sample video. Ay, 4K ba ito? Yes, it's 4K. Pero I'm gonna, ano na lang, with 4K. Tapos, ito yung water. Since waterproof, diba siya? So, gi-water test ko siya. So, yes. Are you okay? Gaga. Are you okay? This guy. This is a 4K by 60 frame rate. So nice. Yes. So I think it's nice for me. And ang dami ding reviews na ano siya. Great siya for beginners. Like, not so techy with a camera. And I think I'm like that. So, parang good find siya or like good deal for me. And this is the inclusion. And I also bought this one. Ay, meron pa pala to guys. Apil na siya sa set. Sa standard combo, this one. Pero yung kaniya kong gibay, apil na siya na siya inanipod. Pero kaniya kong gigamit tong sa camera jud akong gigamit. So, yeah. Malit kog tripod. Yes, baby. Tapos nag-buy ko og SD card since ang option 4 is wala siya internal memo storage. So I bought the Extreme Pro SD card. And the other nag-buy ko is like the CPL, like yung parang iano niya yung exposure if just in case like maga-film mo sa like very very bright like outside. So yes, yan lang. I would rate it a 10 out of 10 if you're not siguro yun lang. Ay, yung battery life niya like if like for straight filming 1 hour kapin lang guro guys, like that. It would last an hour. So I'm planning to buy extra batteries too soon na. But at least I got my camera. I love it. I'm so happy with it. Thank you, Lord. Thank you sa mga scooty ko.